like this cat.
Oh, that's less self-control, please. Can we?
For a ride in a helicopter. There's a neighborhood in Texas with some interesting street names. You have Sameway, which connects to Right Way. You have Right Way, which connects to My Way. Right Way also connects to Which Way. Straight Way also connects to Right Way. And then you have This Way that's connected to That Way. A diver found thousands of moon jellyfish to swim through.
Oh no! Hooch! They took your bones! Oh, no way!
Back in 2018, a volcano in Hawaii erupted, creating a giant river of lava. You can see how quick and dangerous this lava river is moving. This chipmunk has been trained to eat on command.
Go.
Here's a dog with long, beautiful eyelashes. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Oh.